Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Herman.
Herman. And so Herman's going to show that she can play all the songs in level 1, unit 4. 4. 4. The technique book doesn't say, just go. Good job. Let's try performance tempo. Molding play. Finger painting. switch over to lessons book. Great job. And what's the name of this thing with 5 lines and spaces?
That is a staff.
If you have more than one staff.
Staves.
And how many types of notes can you write on a staff?
Two types of notes, a line note and a space note.
How many different directions can music move on the staff?
In 3 different directions, up, down, and repeat.
And how many lines are in a staff?
5 lines.
How many spaces?
4 spaces.
Great. And this symbol right here, what's that called?
That is a bass clef.
Why is it called bass clef?
It is called a bass clef because bass means low, and so it is for the low keys, starting from middle C to the left of the piano.
Yeah, and which hand do you usually use in bass clef?
Left hand. Yeah.
And how many line notes are in the bass clef?
How many line notes? 5.
How many space notes?
4.
How do you remember the names of the line notes?
Gummy bears don't fly airplanes.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's funny to me that it's hard for you to remember. That just like blows my mind. That was great though. You did remember. Good for you. And how about the space notes?
All cows eat grass.
Nice.
Yes.
And could you show which keys on the piano correspond with those and say the names out loud so you can start with the line notes?
Yeah, so for the line notes, it is gummy bears. So it starts from G.
Mm-hmm. So which G?
G2.
Right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So gummy bears don't fly airplanes.
Mm-hmm. And then the space notes?
Starts over here. All cows eat grass.
Right, great. And the bass clef has another name. Sometimes it's also called
The F clef.
Why is it called the F clef?
For 2 reasons. The first reason is because it takes its shape from the old-fashioned letter F, and then the second reason is because it identifies the F line which passes through the 2 dots on the F clef.
Yeah.
Okay.
And which key on the piano corresponds with the F line and the bass clef?
Yeah, so it is F3 is bass F.
Yes. And if you have your thumb on middle C, which finger number will land on bass F?
It'll be the 5th one.
Yeah, good. And let's try your bass clef songs. Hooray! In the lessons book.
Okay.
Starting with hide and seek.
Okay. Oh, maybe a little bit.
The name of it is Do You Know This Song?
Okay.
Performance tempo.
Okay.
Yay! And this symbol is called what?
The treble clef.
And why is it called the treble clef?
It is for the high notes, the notes that are from middle C to the right of the piano.
And the word treble means
high.
Right. Yeah. And did you say which hand you usually use?
The right hand.
And how many line notes are in the treble clef?
5.
How many space notes?
4.
How do you remember the names of the line notes?
Every girl breathes deadly fire.
And how about the space notes?
Face, F-A-C-E.
And could you find the notes that correspond?
Yeah. It starts here. Every girl breathes deadly fire. And then F-A-C-E.
Mm-hmm. And the treble clef sometimes has another name. What do you call it?
The G clef.
Why is it called the G clef?
It takes its shape from the old-fashioned letter G, and it identifies the G line, which runs through the curl of the treble.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Great. And let's try your treble clef songs.
Okay.
Oh, and which key on the piano corresponds with the G line? Of course, of that.
Oh, it's called a treble G, and it's a G4 here.
And if you have your thumb on middle C, which finger it lands on treble G?
The 5th one.
And performance tempo. Next page. I think these are backwards. Just kidding. Yes, it is the next page, just not a page turn. Sorry.
Okay,
I was
okay.
like, wait. Now a real page turn.
Okay.
And
Do you want me
no.
Okay.
So this dill here is called what?
That is the grand staff.
And what are the 4 parts of the grand staff?
The 2 clefs,
Mm-hmm.
or the 2 staffs, or staves.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then
Treble clef, bass clef.
Yep. Trace, and then a bar line, and then the breaks.
Mm-hmm. Right. And in between the 2 staves, you have 3 pitches that are not a part of any of the mnemonic devices you just quoted.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember what the 3 pitches are and how you remember their names?
I don't know how to remember the names, but C is in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
and then D, and then B.
Maybe I never told you. Bobbing B, bobbing at the top of the bass clef, and dangling D, dangling at the bottom of the treble clef.
Okay. Maybe you
So-
did, but
Yeah, and middle C has a line in the middle.
Yeah.
And also is in the middle of the piano keyboard.
yeah. Okay.
So, middle of the staff, middle of the keyboard, or middle of the grand staff, and middle of the keyboard.
Okay.
So, could you show on the piano the 3 keys that correspond with the 3 notes on the grand staff that are not part of the?
So D, C, D.
Right. Great. And so let's try your first grand staff song. My best friend. I'll try to restart it here, hopefully.
Okay.